Jackie. Later, Terry.
Okay, now let's get number. So what's the last answer here? A, B, C, or D? Apple, boy, cat, apple. Okay. Okay, the correct answer would be. Are you going to begin it? No. Bigay ka ba ng registration sa client ko? No. Yes, you will. Saying no. Sino ang sumagot sa letter A? Who said letter B? Who said letter C? Sino ang sumagot sa letter C? Wala? No. Letter D. Okay. What is the correct answer here? A, B, C, or D? A-boy or cat or... Paano kung matagal ang kailangan? Okay, ano tamang sagot dito? Boy! And ano yun? Okay, nakaganyan, tapos? Okay. And letter D would be with the next slide